chicken fried brisket. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we're going to be doing something a little different. Today's a total fire ban here in Australia, so we can't light any fires. I've got some leftover brisket, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make chicken fried brisket. So to get started, I've filled our deep fryer with vegetable oil. That's set to 180 degrees Celsius, and then the next thing you'll need is some brisket. Now, I've got some leftover vac-sealed brisket, so we'll go ahead and open this up. Right, so this brisket's been thawed out. We've got our flour mix and an egg wash there. In our flour mix, I'm just going to add some garlic cloves. Then we can coat our brisket in the flour mix. Then into our egg wash. Back into our flour mix. And you really want to press the flour in this time. And then once your oil's at temperature, you can get your brisket in. Now, because that brisket's already been cooked, all you need to worry about now is getting that coating nice, crispy and golden brown. All right, and after about 4 or 5 minutes, that's looking good. So we'll lift that up and let it drain off. All right, and then on some toasted white bread, I'm gonna lay down one of them brisket slices, some pickled red onion, some bread and butter pickles. Then I'm gonna top it off with some Kewpie mayo. Now we can put our lid on and have a taste. All right, now it's time to taste. Well, that is something else that is really enjoyable. I'm actually keen to just try it on its own without all the other stuff in there. Now that is really, really tasty. Happy I've done that. A great way to use up leftovers. So that's it for this video. I know it's only a short one, but definitely give that a try if you can. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.